Thank you for joining me. Today, my name is Alvin Curry. I want to thank you for joining me. We're going to continue and talking in the series we've been doing about I choose my economy. And we've been talking and we've done some videos already on how to choose your economy and looking at different financial numbers and things like that. And I know for many people, it seems very detailed. But today I want to talk about something I think is even more detailed. I want to talk about why do we need financial literacy and what is financial literacy? See, many people believe when they talk to their bankers and they talk to their insurance agents and stuff, they're getting financial literacy. So let me give you a definition of what I call financial literacy. It is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. So what does this mean? The meaning of financial literacy is the foundation to your relationship with money and a lifelong journey of learning. Well, what is wealth? Because we have a lot of people talking about wealth here today. Wealth is the accumulation of valuables, economic resources that can be measured in terms of either real goods or monetary value. So here at myEcon, what we teach is you need to have income-producing assets to generate passive income to support your chosen lifestyle. So let me ask you a couple of questions. Do you know the difference between finance and financier? Finance, the definition is the science of managing money. Financier is the one who's skilled in finance. So let's look at it. Finance is the science of managing money. And a financier, the person who does the financing, is skilled in finance. So ladies and gentlemen, we've been taught to go to school and get an education. Well, degrees are subject specific. Do you have a financial education? And where were you taught and how did you get your formal education in life? When you went to high school, college, or wherever you went, did they teach you how finances work? You got your good job with benefits and worked for 40 years. Did you learn how finances work? Or did you just follow along when you went down to get credit to buy a home at what the mortgage loan officer said? When you went down to finance a car, did you just follow along with what the car financer said? When you got credit cards and all other kind of things, who taught and who gave you financial education? When the person came to your company to do a 401k plan, did they give you a financial education or did they just tell you how to invest in the 401k plan? We need to take a look at where and how do we get our financial education. For me, I got my financial education looking at my parents and grandparents and people around me. Since most of them did not have money and all of them taught these principles about penny pinching and just trying to just get by, I knew that that was not something I wanted to do. So I began to look at other things to learn how to get a financial education. And so God blessed me to go back to college and get a financial education when I majored in accounting and economics. So I want to talk to you over these next 2 or 3 sessions about finance and getting financial literacy and a financial education. So if you would like to talk about that, please go to trustalvincurry.com or you can reach out to me on LinkedIn and we can have a conversation about that. Thank you for joining me today at trustalvincurry.com and we can have a conversation about finance and financial literacy. Thank you.